All right, hello everybody. Welcome to Portfolio Cash on Friday with Terence. All right, we are back for the first session for 2022. All right, hi Jimmy. All right, now thank you very much for wishes, and let's get our session started. All right, now we took the last 2 weeks of 2021 off. All right, now so today we have got to do some portfolio managements for our positions. All right, so let's quickly get into it. All right, now, but before I do that, right, let me go through my standard drills over here for all of you. All right, if you're joining us for the first time, please make sure you see the link in the banner, all right, which is streamyard.com/Facebook. All right, you'll be brought to a pop-up page. Just click on the Facebook button, all right, and this will approve your profile, all right, for use during the session. So when you make any posts into the comments, all right, we will actually be able to see who's leaving the comments, all right, and then address you accordingly. All right, now, so please make sure you do that. All right, and thank you very much. Yeah. All right, now, so as I said, all right, we have the first Facebook user. All right, and hello back to you. All right, if this is your comment over here, all right, please go ahead to the link. All right, and then click on the Facebook blue color button. All right, now, hi Meme, hi Eileen, hi Pang Sin. All right, hi City Chai. All right, now, so happy New Year to all of you. All right, and let's go make some money for ourselves. Okay. All right, now, so before I start again, a standard disclaimer, I will be discussing live trades that I'll be adding to my account, right? Live trades that I'll be doing to this official portfolio during the session. But please be aware, all forms of trading bears a risk of loss. So please make sure you understand all the risk involved before deciding to place these trades on your live accounts. Okay, by no means is this any form of recommendation at all. All right, I'm just sharing it from an educational purpose, how I'll build a portfolio to achieve a double-digit return year on year, right, in a very, very simple approach and methodologies. Now, so let's go ahead. If any of you are interested to find out how you can adopt the same strategies with a lower account capital, with a much smaller account capital, right, do consider joining our trading membership or one of our mentorship programs, okay? Now, so this is to build an interest in you, all right, and knowing exactly what options selling as a strategy for your investment portfolio can bring about. Yeah. All right. Now, so let's get to it. Jimmy, thank you very much. All right. Now, so let's go. Let's go. Okay. As usual, I will be providing a market update. So let's quickly go to the market updates and what we expect. Now, so this is the market. This is the S&P 500. All right, and we have a sell-off. All right, we have a sell-off to start the first week of the year. All right, we had that 100-point down day. All right, and all right, it actually broke the nearest support level, which is at 4,700 level. All right, so what I'm going to see right now is the market, all right, pretty much trading between this box. All right, as you can see over here, we have a box at about 4,600, right, to 4,700. All right, so I do expect markets to trade around this next support resistance zone, right? But the real one, all right, it's more or less this one, okay? All right, let me remove this. All right, the real zone that we should be seeing right now is really 4,550, all right, to 4,700. All right, so it's still a pretty wide zone, all right? And we had this severe sell-off. We may actually start to see a little rebound to test the resistance, all right, of 4,700. All right, and from there, we may actually see the next down swift over here. All right, okay, now that remains to be seen, of course. All right, but the Fed meetings is already away. That means it's gone. All right, now, so, pretty much what we're going to see right now is what to expect. Yeah, all right, what to expect on the markets. Yeah, all right, now, so today is a pretty flat day. All right, but it doesn't stop me, okay, from taking my portfolio actions. It is the first day of the year. All right, I've not done anything at all right, since we last traded. All right, since we last traded. Yeah, all right, now, so give me a moment. All right, let me set up my screens. Let me make sure it is all ready. Okay, all right, hang on. right, sorry, my apologies on that. Yeah, all right. Now, Jimmy, thank you very much for the reminder. All right, so let me remove the banner. Oh, wrong one. All right, there we go. All right, now, so thank you very much once again. All right, and welcome to the ones who have joined us a little bit later. All right, and let's get to our portfolio action, shall we? All right, now, so we have quite a bit to go. All right, let's go over here. All right, now, so in our portfolio, let's go through them one by one. All right, we do have a VZ position, which we have been managing. All right, so we have sold a 21st January, all right, $55 call option on VZ, all right, which expires on the 21st of January. All right, now, so that's about 1 week away. All right, where is our stock currently? All right, let's have a look. Right now, VZ today is trading at 53.77. Oh, wow. That's close enough. That's really, really close. Now, let's look at our 21st January 55 call. All right, and where are we right now? All right, it's about 24.25 cents. All right, 24.25 cents. So we actually have a little bit of a profit on this one over here. All right, and let's see what I want to do, okay? All right, everybody, I'm gonna move the call option over here. All right, so today I'm gonna pay about 25 cents to close this call option. All right, okay, pay 25 cents to close this call option. All right, and then I will go back and resell the February, which is 1 month away. All right, the same strike, 55 call for about 73 cents. Yeah, okay, that's gonna be my management actions over here. All right, and that's what I'll be looking to do. Okay. All right, now, so all right, so please go ahead and do that. All right, now, which means, okay, we will be paying 20, what is this? All right, we will be paying 25 cents to buy the $55 call option back. All right, okay, so that will cost us 25 cents. This one expires at 0. Right, so this allows us to collect about $27 in cash flow from this trade over here. And today is the 7th of January. Okay, all right, now, and then we're gonna go ahead now, all right, and open another call option. All right, this one is gonna be for the 18th of Feb, okay? All right, we're doing this on the 7th of January, same strike. All right, and we're collecting about 73 cents for this. All right, now, so we're going to add in another $219 in cash flow on this trade over here, all right, by doing this switch in the expiry date for the call option. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, so if any of you, all right, do have the VZ stock, all right, that is based on this trade, all right, this is the first management action that I'm taking over here. All right, now, so that's done. That's out of the way. Let's go to Rio. All right, Rio. All right, where are we? Oh, yes. All right, we have Rio over here shooting back up. All right, so some of you will be asking, Terence, why is Rio suddenly charging up like that? Simple. Number one, all right, this stock was severely undervalued. All right, and I do still remember, all right, that there are people commenting and saying, all right, it's a fat wish, right, for you to see this stock go back up to 70 and above. All right, now I have no issues with that. All right, everybody trades differently. All right, but for me over here, I love stocks that are severely undervalued, right? Especially in the market top, right? And see what happens. Every dog has his day, right? You need to just be patient enough, right, to understand the game and how it works in the long run, right? Stick with the good companies, right? They are selling at cheap prices, right? And they will come roaring back. They will come biting back. Yeah, all right. And today, all right, we see this in Rio. All right, now, so we're going to go ahead and add another call option, right, so that we can collect more income, okay? Now, so the last time around, we sold the 75 call, right? So let's stick to this strike there. Yeah, all right, that's the break-even price on our shares, right? And let's see what we can get, all right? We don't have a 75 over here, but we do have a 74, 72, all right? And it will pay us a 50 cent credit. All right, so I think we're good, all right, to go ahead and take that 50 cents for just about 2 weeks from now. All right, 2 weeks from now. All right, so let's go ahead and get that done. Yeah. All right, now, so let's go ahead and sell the 74.72. All right, and I'm going to collect or aim to try to collect about 52 cents on this. All right, 52 cents is good to go. All right, so if any of you have this trade, all right, let's add the call option. All right, for the 21st of Jan. All right, 74.72 strike. All right, today we're doing it on 7th of January. All right, and let's go ahead and collect 52 cents. All right, that will pay us another $156. All right, so I'm all good with that, yeah? Right now, Terence, what if the stock goes up and then your stock gets taken away, all right, at 74.72? What's going to happen? All right, then that ends this trade over here with a positive outcome. All right, why? Because somebody's going to pay me 74.72, all right, to buy my shares away from me. All right, and what is the break-even price on this stock right now? Okay, let's do a calculation. All right, I paid 77.20 to buy the stock. All right, okay, and I collected 180 for the naked puts. All right, okay, all the portfolio puts as we call it in this session. All right, and then I added a call option where I collected 80 cents. Right, and then another further 52 cents today. All right, now, so the cost of my shares, the break-even cost is only 74.08. So if somebody pays me 74.72 to take my shares away from me, can you see that I'm actually ending this trade still with a profitable outcome? All right, now, so it's a very simple approach, like I said, in this Friday session. Right, we will start off any trade position in this portfolio by selling a portfolio put. Now, what is a portfolio put? Right, it is pretty much selling a naked put, right, by giving full cash requirement up front. Right, so in any event the trade doesn't work out, right, I have all the money set aside to actually buy the stock, all right, and all right, go long on the stock, all right, which means a long-term investor on the stock, right, and then when the situation turns around like what you see over here, all right, I can get out of the trade with a profit and then restart again. Yeah. Okay. Now, so we have added a call option on Rio. All right, and that's another $156 today. All right. Now, HIMX. All right, our next position where we will assign the stock. All right, the last call option we sold was on 19 November. All right, and that has already expired as well. All right, let's go find another call option and add it to the mix. Hey, wait a minute, we have a profit on the stock, so I don't need to add a call option anymore, everybody. All right, let's get out of this trade with a profit. All right, let's go, let's get out. All right, our cost of the stock is much lesser than this. All right, so we can sell the stock today, all right, for about $12.41. That's the bid price on the stock, right? Okay, now, so I'm going to take $12.40 on the stock. All right, and then now, okay, let's go ahead and do our calculations. Okay, 7th of January. All right, what is our profit? Okay, our profit is gonna be hang on. All right, that's gonna free up my margin. Wait a minute. Oh yes. All right, it's gonna be 12.40 minus $12. All right, times 300 shares. There we go. All right, now, so if we look at just the HIMX trade, these three positions, right? Now, can you see that we do have quite a pretty good profitable outcome? Right? At the end of the day, the total trade brought me about $500 over in profits. Why? All right, we sold the put option. All right, we sold the put option for about $1.19. Right? Then this trade didn't work out, and we were assigned the stock. We bought the stock on the 15th of October by paying $12. All right, today we are selling it away for 12.40. So we have a profit even on the stock itself, a 40-cent profit. Yeah, okay. Now, then we also sold one call option while waiting for the stock price to go back up. Yeah, okay. All right, now, so this trade for all actions ended profitable. All right, now, so let's look at the chart to show you what happened. All right, so when we started the trade, I think it was somewhere here, right? Probably somewhere here. All right, and then the stock plummeted after that. All right, so after it plummeted, right, see where it's charging back up, right, towards the end of December, right? We actually missed the boat. We could have sold it for 16.50, right? If we were running a session towards the end of the year. Look, 30th December, right? The stock was worth 16.50, right? We missed out on a great profit over there. Yeah, okay, but so be it. All right, now this was meant to be a passive portfolio. All right, so I will manage this as a passive portfolio. All right, so yes, we did miss out on, how do I say this? A very, very huge profit. It was a $4. If I sold it at about $16, it would have been a $4 profit on 300 shares. That's $1,200, right? That's an amazing offer. Yeah, all right, but too bad. Okay, now I'm doing it live, so I will record them, all right, on every trade as what we close during the session. All right, so HIMX, another winner. All right, our first winning trade for the year. Hooray. Okay, next one, Tupperware. All right, now, so we sold a portfolio put on Tupperware, all right, with a put option strike of $16. All right, so today, all right, we are assigned the stock and we have not done anything yet. So let's look at what Tupperware is right now. Tupperware is at 1567, everybody. All right, 1567. All right. Here's what I'm going to do, everybody. All right, I'm going to show you how I'm going to work this out, okay? All right, now, so for this trade right now, if you realize we collected 66 cents, right, when we opened this trade. Yeah, okay, now, and then we paid $16 to buy this share. All right, so our break-even cost on the share is actually only, right, $15.34, right, if all of you see this, right? Okay, now, and I can sell the share away for $15.65 today. All right, and if I sell it for this price, all right, $15.64, let's say, all right, I will still end up with a profit. All right, I will still end up with a profit on this trade. All right, if you see where I'm going over here. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that over here. All right, I'm gonna sell away 300 shares of Tupperware. All right, and let's do it for 15.64. Oh man. All right, I'm not gonna haggle. I'm not gonna hassle. All right, I've got my trade done at 15.55. All right, so I'm going to take that. Okay, I've got a fill over here at 15.55. I've sold 300 shares. Oh, hang on, everybody. There, it's much clearer. All right, I sold 300 shares at 15.55 for Tupperware over here. All right, so that is done. Okay, now, so let's put it out of our portfolio. All right, 15.55. All right, 7th of January. All right, now, so we made $135 loss on the stock by closing it, but we actually made 198 in cash from selling the put option. So overall, can you see, based on these two transactions, we still end this trade with a profit. Yeah, okay, all right, now, so this is another profitable close. Okay, another winning trade to kick off the year. Right now, before I do anything next, all right, I want to add this position back, all right, as a new trade right now. right? So I want to turn around right now and collect new cash, right, by selling a portfolio put all over again. So this is going to be trade 85 on the portfolio, all right? And I'm actually going to sell the 21st January, all right? And I'm going to go for the 15 put over here, right now. So 7th of January, right? So let's go, all right? Give me a minute. Tupperware. All right, and the 15 put is going to pay me about 35 to 40 cents today. All right, now, so I'm going to try to get this order done and sell 3 option contracts, okay? All right, now let's go 30, 30, 30, 30. Let's see what's the last done price. 35. All right, there we go. All right, now, so I'm filled. All right, I sold 3 Tupperware January 21st. All right, 15 put. I sold 3 of them for about 35 cents. All right, 35, 36 average, 35,333. All right, now, so I'll record it as 35 cents where I sold 3 option contracts. Okay. All right, now, that will pay me another $105 in cash flow. All right, when this trade expires in 2 weeks from now. All right, so I'm all good with that. Now, the requirements for this trade will be $4,500, all right, which is the money set aside to buy 300 shares of Tupperware, right, in case the trade doesn't work out. Okay, everybody? All right, now, next one, Intel. All right, now, we have Intel, which expires on 21st January, and a 47.50 strike. We have another turnaround, everybody. All right, Intel is trading at 53. What did I say? All right, now when a good stock is selling cheap, all right, it will always come roaring back. So today we're going to pay 6 cents, all right, and get this trade closed. 47.50 puts on 21st January. All right, paid 6 cents, get the trade closed, everybody. Seventh of January. Thanks. We release margins from our portfolio. Right, $192. Now, anybody follow any of the trades over here that I've just closed for profits? All right, if you actually did, all right, get in on any of the trades that I've just mentioned and closed, all right, can you just leave a comment to let me know? Yeah, all right, I just want to have a gauge, how many of you are actually doing these trades live as well. All right, we just closed another profitable trade. All right, let's go to the next one. Hawk. Another winner. All right, awesome. I think we have the 21st January. Yes, Hawk, 21st January, 35 puts. All right, okay, now today, all right, it'll be a winner because the stock bounced up to 38.67. All right, so the 35 puts should cost us about 15 cents to close it today. All right, I'm more than happy to pay 15 cents to get it closed, everybody. All right, so pay your 15 cents, get it out of your portfolio, yeah? All right, now, so we'll close it for 15 cents as well. Woohoo! That's a good start to the year. All right, now, next one, WU, $18. All right, now, so we have WU bouncing. Oh, my goodness. All right, we're in luck. All right, so I can close this for about 20 cents today. All right, so let's go ahead. All right, pay 20 cents to get this closed, yeah? All right, 20 cents, 18 puts. All right, now, so go ahead, pay 20 cents and get this closed, and we're done. All right, another winning trade on the portfolio. Oh, we have cleaned out our portfolio, everybody. Looks like today is a clean out. All right, next one. EAT, Brinker International. All right, we have a 32 strike put option, which expires on 21st January. All right, we got 110 for it. All right, let's have a look. Nice. All right, 32 strike. All right, that's awesome. Another winner. All right, 32. All right, let's pay 15 cents the last price and get it closed today. Wash out. All right, we're clearing our entire portfolio today. All right, now there's another winner. Now ANF, all right, 30 strike that expires on 21st. Let's go have a look. Oh, today is down 130. Oh my goodness. 30 strike. It'll cost us about 45 cents to close it. Nah, this one I'm still happy. All right, it hasn't bounced up by much. Right, the stock hasn't gone up by much, so I'm gonna continue to hold this position. All right, I'll continue to hold it. I think it'll hold strong. Yeah, all right, so I'll keep it until it expires. Wow. Look, everybody. All right, we have reduced our margins to only 69,000 right now. Yeah, all right, we have reduced our margin to only 69,000. Oh no, it's lesser than that. We've closed this position too. All right, which is VZ. Nice. We are only at 53,000 right now, okay? And the portfolio is up by 20,000 in PNL. Yeah, all right now. So our portfolio has a value of about 120,000 at the moment. All right, we started off with 100, all right, and we grew it further from there, yeah? Now, we added one trade today, which is Tupperware. All right, so let's do our calculations on Tupperware, yeah? All right, now, so we collected 35 cents, all right, on an investment dollar of $15. Okay, this trade pays us 2.33%. All right, and do remember that this trade is only for 2 weeks before it expires. Now, so the trade that we just took out today pays a 60% per annum return. All right, Jimmy, yes, new year, new start. All right, somehow it works that way. Now, so the trade that we took out today, all right, it's a 60% annualized return. All right, so it's going to drive our portfolio higher, all right, based on this trade over here. All right, so I'm more than happy to go ahead and take this trade, yeah? All right, now, so let me quickly take a look if what I want to add today might still be valid, okay? No, everything is on a high right now. Looks like today we have to take a break in terms of adding new positions. No. Nope, nothing is cheap today. Nope, 22 PE is still too expensive. All right, now, so that's it for our portfolio. We have closed them out for winners. All right, okay, now, so let's see what we've got, okay? Now, Ivan, all right, Ivan, all right, now, the trades that we do on this portfolio on Fridays is different from those that we do in our official portfolio, all right? Now, so don't take any actions on those unless I make a post to share it with all of you, yeah? All right, okay, so it's a totally different trade over here. So hang in there, all right? Okay, there are any moves, I'll be telling you. Yeah, okay, now, so Friday trades, all right, are totally based on this public portfolio which we run. Yeah, okay, all right, now, so they're totally different structured trades. Okay, so do not get them mixed up, okay, everybody? All right, now, so today, that's going to be it, all right? It doesn't seem like a good day for me to add any positions, right? But we did have taken some good profits off the table, all right? Remember all these trades, all right, that we closed today, right? They were all under the water, right, in our previous session, which is about 3 weeks ago, right? And what 3 weeks have done for the entire market, right? It's turned our entire portfolio profitable, right? So we're taking all of them off the table, all right? And then we have a restart, okay? So I'll probably come back next week, all right? And hopefully we'll be able to find some good undervalued stocks and start adding to the portfolio for the new year as well. All right, now, so I hope you did enjoy this session. All right, if you found, the sessions and, made some money on the trades that we have taken, all right, do me a favor, all right, hit the like button on this Facebook live session. Yeah, all right, before you leave. And if you can, hit the share button as well. All right, now the aim of this session is to address the public and educate all of you to know more about option selling, all right, how a simple portfolio can be built to achieve, all right, more than a double-digit return. Right, we achieved 17% on our first year. We are now going into our second year trading live every Friday, right? Except public holidays and US trading holidays. Yeah, okay, all right. Just with a simple action every Friday, all right? And on weeks like today, we didn't even do anything, all right? And we can still achieve a 20% return, all right, which is the target that we set. All right, so if you like today's session, hit the like button. And then don't forget, I will be seeing all of you next Friday, okay? All right, so next Friday, we will be back for another public Facebook live session, Portfolio Cash on Fridays. All right, now, so do let your friends know or share it on your Facebook feed. All right, and I'll see all of you again next Friday, okay? All right, everybody, thank you very much. All right, thank you. All right, Sandra, all right, ask me again on Monday session, okay? We did share this in our members portal as well. Okay, you should be able to find this under the templates module. All right, okay, where we share all the templates with all of you. Yeah, all right, now, thank you very much. All right, and all right, EL, I have no views on Baba. My views on Baba stays the same. All right, until there's a clean out over here. All right, I don't know what to expect. All right, it is not one of the stocks that we really look into. Yeah, okay, all right, now Baba has a good run. All right, it's a good run. Right, it may run further because as you see, the indicators still witness some strength for it to go higher. But how high can it go? I don't know. All right, I don't know. And I won't trade this as well. Yeah, okay. All right, now, Pang Sin, I would not touch C Limited as well because there's no foundations to it. All right. On this portfolio on Fridays, we do not trade, all right, any growth stocks at all. Yeah, all right. We don't trade growth stocks. All right. Why? Because it's income driven, it's cash flow driven. Right? If I do those trades on those stocks, I can't sleep well. All right, I can't sleep well. All right, it's not like the valuations are any cheap as well. Right? If you look at SE, right, what do you want to do? Look at how it suffered. Right? I keep saying this over and over again. 370. Right? Don't buy it. Why are you buying it? The company doesn't make money at all. Right? Never ever buy companies that don't make money. Why? Because the market has changed the entire game. They were chasing all types of stocks, all type of tech unicorns with good, strong story. But do you realize in the last month of the year, right, this story totally changed, right? All the funds started selling all these companies that could not show any profit at all. All right, okay, they did this on SE, they did this on all the meme stocks like AMC, they did it on Peloton. All right, all these were stocks that did really well after the pandemic. Right, but all these stocks were the ones that didn't make money at all. Right, they did this on Lyft, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, right, they sold it off as well. Right, they did this on Uber. Right, as you can see. Yeah, all right, now. So these stocks, right, they may look very sexy when the story is in play. Right, but if you are left, right, catching that burning candle, all right, okay, you won't like it. All right, so this is one big reason why I always choose, right, never to get my hands on any of these stocks. Yeah, okay, all right. Now, why? Because there may be a success story, right? You may get that one success story like Tesla, which turns from a non-profitable company, right, and then finally being able to make profits and then grow from there, right? Yes, but then for every one stock like that, right, you run the risk of picking 9 failures. Yeah, all right. So that is trading, that is speculation. Yeah, all right. That comes with growth investing. Yeah, all right. Do you really want to do that? Yeah, okay. If you don't, right, then stick to very, very important, right, good stocks with strong fundamentals. Yeah, okay. All right, now, so Vivian, all right, if you want to view on PayPal, all right, come back and join me next week. All right, I'll be more than happy to take a look at PayPal over here. All right, but we'll end off today's session right here. All right, and then I'll catch all of you live again next week. All right, this is Terence Tan, all right, for Portfolio Cash Flow on Fridays. All right, and I'll see all of you again live next week. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much for joining me. All right. Bye for now. Have a great, pleasant weekend, everybody. All right. Bye-bye.